Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping and priming, remove mold lines, and wash the miniature to ensure paint adhesion. Once dry, apply a thin, even primer suited to contrast paints. This gives you consistent color pickup. Now load your brush and thin the contrast paint about 5 to 10% with water for the very first coat so it flows into recesses without pooling. Make sure to test on a sprue or underside to confirm opacity and flow before moving to the visible areas. You continue by building color through controlled, thin layers, allowing 10 to 15 minutes drying time between passes so the contrast effect sets naturally. Once done with the base layer, use brush strokes that follow the miniature's forms to guide the contrast paint into recesses and away from edges, preventing unwanted pooling. If you need more translucency, mix with contrast medium or a small amount of flow improver. This preserves existing highlights while deepening shadow. You finish by refining highlights. Lift edges with a thin highlight coat or gentle drip brush to restore contrast. Once satisfied, seal the miniature with a matte varnish to protect the paint and unify sheen. Make sure to test a small area first to confirm compatibility. If things go wrong and you see pooling, immediately blot excess with a clean brush and let dry, then thin subsequent coats more or remove the affected layer with brush and water and reapply. This prevents mottling and preserves detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.